Hi everybody, it's Phil from Teachblend, and in this video we're going to have a look at Microsoft Teams voice isolation feature. If you're in a busy office and you want to filter other voices, this is the setting for you. So in Microsoft Teams, choose the Settings and More option, and then in here, choose Settings. From here, if you've got Teams updated, you'll see the recognition option, and then what you need to do is create voice profile. And this will allow you then to choose a voice profile. So first of all, essentially choose the microphone that you use on Teams, and then read out the passage of text when you choose to start capture. This will then train Microsoft Teams on your voice, and it'll be able to then filter out the other voices within your Microsoft Teams meetings. So here now, choose a meeting and join it, and you'll see as I am speaking, the voice isolation feature is on the bottom left, and you can click that to check. If for whatever reason that might not be working, choose the mic option, and then down in noise suppression, make sure that's enabled and you've got voice isolation selected as well. I hope you found this video useful.